Wait until you see what BYD is cooking up. This isn't just an MPV, it's a revolution on wheels. Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2025 BYD M9. Buckle up because this electric MPV is poised to redefine what we expect from family vehicles. BYD has been making waves in the EV market, and the M9 is set to be their most ambitious project yet. Forget everything you thought you knew about minivans. The M9 is bringing a bold, futuristic design language that screams innovation. We're talking sleek lines, aerodynamic contours, and a distinctive front fascia that will turn heads wherever you go. But it's not just about the looks. BYD is packing the M9 with cutting-edge technology, including advanced driver assistance systems, a state-of-the-art infotainment system, and a spacious, luxurious interior designed for maximum comfort. Think of it as a mobile living room, perfect for long road trips or simply cruising around town. The M9 is not only aesthetically pleasing, but it's also engineered for optimal performance and efficiency, boasting a powerful electric drivetrain in an impressive range that will alleviate any range anxiety. So, get ready to witness a true game changer in the automotive world. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood, or rather, under the floor. The 2025 BYD M9 is expected to feature BYD's latest blade battery technology. It's offering a significant boost in energy density and safety. This translates to a longer range and faster charging times, making it a practical choice for everyday use. But the M9 isn't just about practicality. It's also about performance. Reports suggest that the M9 will come with a dual-motor setup, providing all-wheel drive capability and exhilarating acceleration. Imagine effortlessly merging onto the highway or tackling challenging road conditions with confidence. Inside, the M9 is designed to pamper its occupants. Expect premium materials, comfortable seating for up to 7 passengers, and a host of amenities, including a panoramic sunroof, a premium sound system, and individual climate control zones. The M9 is also expected to feature a large, centrally mounted touchscreen display that integrates seamlessly with the vehicle's infotainment system.